66 million years ago, Earth was ruled by giants. Massive creatures like Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Brachiosaurus dominated the planet. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs were the most powerful animals on Earth. They controlled the land, the skies, and even parts of the oceans. The planet truly belonged to them. Then everything changed. A giant asteroid, nearly 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was catastrophic. Massive fires spread across continents. Earthquakes shook the planet, and enormous clouds of dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months or even years. Without sunlight, plants began to die, and without plants, entire food chains collapsed. Within a relatively short period of time, most dinosaur species disappeared forever. But imagine a different timeline. Imagine the asteroid never hit Earth. What would our world look like today if dinosaurs had never gone extinct? Without the asteroid impact, dinosaurs would likely have continued dominating the planet. Large herbivores would roam forests and plains, eating enormous amounts of vegetation. Massive predators would remain at the top of the food chain, controlling entire ecosystems. Over millions of years, evolution would continue shaping these creatures. Some dinosaurs might become faster and more efficient hunters. Others might grow larger or develop new adaptations that help them survive changing climates and environments. Dinosaurs had already ruled Earth for more than 160 million years, so there is every reason to believe they could have continued dominating the planet for millions of years more. But this raises an important question. If dinosaurs never disappeared, would humans even exist? During the age of dinosaurs, mammals already lived on Earth, but they were very small animals, often no bigger than modern mice. They survived by hiding from large predators and staying active mostly at night. For millions of years, mammals lived quietly in the shadows of giant reptiles. Then the asteroid changed everything. When the dinosaurs disappeared, it opened the door for mammals to evolve and spread across the planet. Over millions of years, mammals grew larger and more diverse. Some became whales in the oceans. Others became elephants on land. Primates evolved in forests, and eventually, one branch of these primates evolved into humans. But if dinosaurs were still dominating Earth, mammals might never have had that opportunity. Large dinosaurs would control most ecosystems, making survival extremely difficult for small mammals to evolve into larger and more intelligent species. In that world, mammals might remain small animals hiding in burrows and forests, which means humans might never evolve at all. There would be no cities, no technology, no modern civilization. Earth might still be a wild planet where giant reptiles dominate forests, plains, and coastlines. But there is another interesting possibility scientists sometimes discuss. If dinosaurs had survived, they might not look exactly the same as the ones we imagine today. Evolution never stops. Over tens of millions of years, dinosaurs would continue adapting to new environments and climates. Some species might become smaller and faster. Others might develop feathers, better vision, or even more complex social behaviors. One small dinosaur called Troodon already had a relatively large brain compared to its body size. Some scientists believe that if dinosaurs like Troodon had continued evolving for millions of years, they might have become far more intelligent. In a very different timeline, Earth might even contain intelligent dinosaur species, creatures that evolved alongside mammals and competed for dominance of the planet. But here is something fascinating. In a way, dinosaurs never completely disappeared. Modern birds are actually descendants of ancient dinosaurs. Scientists have discovered fossils showing that many dinosaurs had feathers, similar to modern birds. Over millions of years, some of these feathered dinosaurs evolved into the birds we see today. That means every time you see a bird flying across the sky, you are looking at a distant relative of the dinosaurs that once ruled the Earth. Dinosaurs dominated our planet for more than 160 million years. Humans, by comparison, have existed for only about 300,000 years. If that asteroid had missed Earth, the world might still belong to the dinosaurs, and we might never have been here to imagine it.